This is a lock-on grip, and it cost about $25. But what if you could 3D print them instead? After all, it's just a circle with a hole. And I've 3D printed bike parts in the past, like this disc brake rotor. So can 3D printed grips look and perform like regular grips? So luckily for me, someone's already designed this and uploaded it on Thingiverse, so I didn't have to design it and I just get to print it. Okay, here's the print. It's estimating 8 hours. So yeah, cue the time lapse. Okay, this is about $1 worth of filament because this roll right here is a $20 roll and we used 50 grams, so it turns out to be about $1. Okay, I have the grips here, so let's install them. First step, your little lock ring, and then the grip. The guy on Thingiverse said it would fit any mountain bike bar. It does not fit. Okay, we got a different bar to try out. Doesn't fit this one. Alright, we have another bar. Doesn't fit this one either. This one doesn't fit either. Alright, let's go design our own. Okay, so we're gonna design our own now, and we're gonna use these metal lock rings. The hardest part of the design was getting it to work with the metal rings. Okay, I have the design done. This is pretty much the grip, but we're gonna do a little test piece right here to see if it will mesh with that. Okay, it fits the lock ring perfectly. Alright, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna print them one at a time this time, and print. Cue the time lapse. Okay, the grips are done. I think they look pretty good. But yeah, let's get them installed on the bike. Okay, the grips are installed. I think they look really, really proper. Look at that. Okay, we're out here. The first test is gonna be wheelies. If it can't wheelie, it is useless. So yeah. The grip cracked loose. We just have a loose grip now. Should be fine. I mean, it kind of worked. Okay, next test is the hill test to see if the grips are grippy enough. Okay, my right grip is still alive, so that's really good. Okay, over here it's a lot steeper, so let's do it. Okay, so the grips are not functioning great, so I'm gonna say they lost. Okay, it's time to durability test the grips. We're gonna put the grips on and we're gonna drop the bike on its side. And if they survive, they're pretty durable. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. That felt wrong. It lived. Okay, one more time in 3, 2, 1. It appears to be fine. The grips actually survived the durability test. But are they good replacements? Probably not. They're not grippy enough. They fly back and forth, and they spin, which makes it really hard to ride.